Good evening to one and all. Once again, warm welcome to our online platform for students of Life Science Botany for You. On the occasion of 3 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in Life Science Part 4, scheduled from 19th to 21st October of year 2020, and it is an honor for me to share this platform with you. Myself, Mr. Shubham Ashokrao Rathod, pioneer member of Botany for You and assistant professor in Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who were working for the success of this event to give the best of them to the students of life science. Respected speakers from various parts of the nation from the life science subject who have contributed in the form of their video lectures based on CSIR UGC NET syllabus. Respected Dr. Pitambar Humne, founder of Botany for You and currently working as associate professor and head at Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Maharashtra, and all the respected founder members of online platform Botany for You, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Senior Scientist, School of Medicine, University of Virginia, United States, Dr. Nitin Labhane, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Dr. Tushar Wankhade, Professor at Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, and Dr. Deepak Koche, the coordinator of this national workshop and working as a professor at Department of Botany in Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, and all the respected teachers in the life science from various colleges of the nation's research scholars and my dear students. On the behalf of Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life science, I expressed my deep sense of gratitude to the speaker, Dr. Akash Gautam. He is assistant professor at Center for Neural and Cognitive Science, School of Medical Science, University of Hyderabad, Telangana, for his nice lecture on neurons and action potential. This was his second lecture on our platform. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind support. I also extend my deep sense of gratitude to Mr. Rajesh Dhakne, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Jayant Rao Sawant, College of Commerce and Science, Hadapsar, Pune, for his beautiful lecture on inhibitor of the transcription and translation. Thanks a lot, sir. I am equally thankful to Dr. Deepa Chauhan, Assistant Professor at Department of Botany, CU Shah Science College, Ahmedabad, Gujarat State, for her lecture on gene mutation. Madam is associated with us through this online platform and also deliver this lecture second time. Thanks a lot, ma'am. On second day of this national workshop, the first lecture was delivered by the Dr. I. Rachana Kumari, Assistant Professor in Genetics, Bhavans Vivekananda College of Science, Humanities and Commerce, Sainikpuri, Hyderabad, Telangana, on the topic Fine Structure Analysis of Gene. Madam is very punctual and committed to her work and words. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for your every efforts and cooperation. I also express my heartfelt thanks to Miss Ashwini Phokmare, Assistant Professor at Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akot, District Akola, for her lecture on plant hormones and its biosynthesis. Madam is budding teacher in the life science and always cooperative. Thanks a lot, ma'am. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Rahul Patil, Assistant Professor in Department of Zoology, Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, Balwant College, Vita, District Sangli, for his wonderful lecture on unlocking mystery of the cell signaling. And also to Mr. Nikhil B. Chaukhande, Assistant Professor at Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra, for his lecture on plant virology. Thank you very much to you both, Mr. Rahul sir and Mr. Nikhil sir. On third day of this national workshop, the first lecture was delivered by Dr. R. Nityathani, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Kaveri College for Women's, Trichy, Tamil Nadu, on Organism of Health and Agriculture Importance. Madam is hardworking teacher and always ready to deliver the lecture on our online platform. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for your kind support. I also extend my thanks to Dr. Ujwala Lande, Assistant Professor at Department of Zoology, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, for her beautiful lecture on Hamilton's rule and altruism. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you very much. I also express my deep sense of gratitude to Mr. Shivdas Aher, Assistant Professor at Department of Botany, MSP Art Science and KPT Commerce College, Manora District, Washing, for his lecture on reproduction in the flowering plants. And also Mr. Ravi Dabade sir, Assistant Professor in Department of Biochemistry, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, for his lecture on central dogma biomolecular aspects. Thanks a lot once again to Mr. Shivdas Aher sir and Mr. Ravi Dabade sir for excellent lecture. My sincere gratitude goes to all the faculties from the life science subject all over the nation and my friends, research scholars and students. My sincere gratitude goes to all the faculties from life science subject all over the nation and my friends, research scholars and students for the support and cooperation in the circulation of brochure and also for participation and appreciation. Because of you only, we got such a warm and nice response for this national workshop. We are not providing the certificates for the routine program organized for the student of life science, so please don't ask for the certificates. Your kind cooperation and support is highly appreciated and acknowledged. That's why we are able to organize the program and make them grand success. I am also very much thankful to founder member of Botany for You, especially Dr. Pitambar Humne, founder of Botany for You, for providing me this opportunity to share this platform with you. In next month, we are going to organize 3 days national workshop on CSR UGC NET, JRF and LS preparation in life science part 5, scheduled from 23rd November to 25th November 2020, and also we will start to upload the lectures on the syllabus of life science subject from various universities of the India. I am very much confident and hopeful that all the lectures made available on our online platform are useful for the stakeholder in the life science. At last, I request to all the participants kindly like and share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get alert of every lecture posted on this platform. So thank you very much once again. Good evening to one and all.